The front camera is a 16 megapixel and it has a 18:9 aspect ratio, full screen. It has a water drop notch that looks quite good, and it has just below micro USB port. They not given to Type C, and there are two cameras. So one is a 60 MP and another is a 2 megapixel for portrait. And another thing, there is a fingerprint scanner is given, and the material used for building this phone is plastic, not metal. Processor is quite good. It has a 660 Snapdragon 660 processor and 3500 megahertz battery. That's quite good, but not average at that price segment. It has three variants: 4GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 64GB, and last one is a 8GB plus 128GB. Thanks for watching.